classic fridge tart, but we're doing it in a little bit of a deconstructed way because the idea is that we do it in a jar for our picnic. So, right, Johan, what do you have for us here today?
So we have some crushed tennis biscuits, custard, homemade custard, because it's South African, condensed milk and some lemon juice.
Okay, fire away. Say that the proof is in the pudding.
So
are you ready to prove it?
This is it.
Alright.
Let's go for it.
I like this deconstruction.
And you need to go deep in to get
all the way.
The
The good
lemon
stuff.
and the custard.
Aye, aye, Captain.